Hello and welcome to the week ahead. So for this week there's going to be two main focuses for market participants. So firstly, on Tuesday and Wednesday we do see Fed Yellen give her semi-annual testimony to Congress. So all eyes will be on any potential further clarity we can see of when we can expect finally to see rate lift off by the Fed. So all eyes will be more specifically focused on any inclusion of the word patient. So this could very much provide that clarity we're looking for. So we did see those dovish FOMC minutes releases last week. However, one thing to bear in mind is that in between the Fed meeting and the minutes release, we did have a particularly strong jobs report, which some analysts suggest could actually shift the balance on the FOMC and therefore maybe negate some of the findings that we did see in those minutes last week. And furthermore, we have also seen Bullard and Lacker since say that June very much still remains on the table, and they would recommend the Fed lifting rates off in June. However, if Fed Yellen does reiterate the use of the word patient, then this would be very important, as patient means that it is unlikely the Fed would lift rates off for at least a couple of meetings, therefore taking June off the table. And this sentiment could be further echoed if Yellen is relatively downbeat on the economy, citing potential inflation headwinds as well as concerns about the strength of the US dollar. So therefore, if Yellen is particularly dovish, then we could see some curve flattening in US Treasuries, as well as US equities advancing on their recently printed record highs. So definitely something to watch out for there. So that's on Tuesday and Wednesday. However, across the pond, all eyes will still continue to very much be on any European and Greek developments. On Friday, we did see both parties reaching accords with regards to a 4-month loan extension for Greece. So just in terms of what happens now then, so Greece now has to compile a list of reforms that it says it's willing to make in order to fill its obligations. And on Monday night, this list will then be sent to Troika for review, and if it's accepted by Troika, then they can obtain their financing. So it could be something to watch out for there. And do note we did also see some ECB sources after the European close rather, on Friday, suggesting that the ECB could also reinstate that waiver on Greek collateral as a forms of obtaining financing, which also could be a key breakthrough for Greece. So German Finance Minister Schäuble did say that such a conversation hadn't taken place, but nonetheless it could potentially be something that is to be expected if an agreement has been made. So that's just the key things to look out for this week. So everyone has a fantastic week.